everyone, got an Instagram account and craving more like on your posts? Absolutely free? Well, you're in the right place. Today I'm about to show you a super simple trick to score real Instagram likes without even needing to log in. What's up guys, Fazel Tech here, bringing you another awesome video. In this one I'm going to walk you through how to get free real Instagram likes, no password required at all. So stick around till the end, you won't want to miss a single step. And hey, before we dive in, if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll always be in the loop with our daily social media tips and tricks. Alright, let's jump in. First, open any browser on your phone or computer, then search for Free Likes Followary. Click on the first link that appears. Once the website loads, scroll down until you see the social media icons. Tap on any one of those icons. Now go back and you'll see an option that says Get Free Instagram Likes. Click on the pink one. The page will load and now you need to enter your Instagram username. Remember, you do not need to enter your password. After typing your username, click on Select. Make sure your username is spelled correctly. Wait a few seconds for it to load and you'll see your Instagram profile. Now select the post you want free likes on. You will get at least 100 likes per post. After selecting your post, enter your email address, then tap on Continue. It will load and at the top you'll see, your order has been received. Now just wait a few minutes. If after 5 minutes you don't receive your likes, scroll down and click on Contact Us, enter your name, email, and the order number you saw earlier, then write, My order is not started yet. Now open your Instagram app, and as you can see, boom, you've received your free likes. You can even go back to the website and repeat the process to get more likes. Alright. Comment down below and tell me if this method worked for you. If it helped, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.